Goed, graad 8, ons is by lesson 29, grade 8. This is lesson 29. We are now in theme 12. Dis nou thema 12. Ons is besig met die meetkunde gedeelte. We're busy with the geometry part of the mathematics now. Everything that we're doing again today is something that you have, well, maybe not everything, but everything that you've done in grade 7 already. The types of angles, die type van hoeke wat 'n mens kan kry. So, eerste ding is, as 'n hoekie tussen 0 en 90 grade is, if an angle is between 0 and 90 degrees, it makes an acute angle. Acute, not you are a cute angle, oulik, not that cute, acute angle. Dis 'n skerp hoek in Afrikaans. Dan as die hoekie groter raak, if this angle gets a little bit bigger, it's more than 90 degrees, between 90 and 180, tussen 90 en 180, dan noem ons hom 'n stomphoek. So you have to write everything down in your script. Jy moet al in jou skrif neerskryf. So we call this an obtuse angle. If the angle is between 90 and 180, variance is there. Dan as die hoekie presies 90 grade is, dan noem ons hom 'n regte hoek. Nie 'n reghoek nie. 'n reghoek is 'n vierhoek. Nie 'n reghoek nie, 'n regte hoek. If it's a 90-degree angle, we don't call it a 90-degree angle, it's called a right angle. You don't talk wrong if you say it's a 90-degree angle, but the name is a right angle. So if we ask you in a test, name these, and I rub all of these answers out, you should be able to say acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. So as ek al die woorde hier weg gaan vee, moet jy dan vir my sê, hierdie is 'n skerp hoek en 'n stomphoek en 'n regte hoek. En dan as hy nou 'n bietjie groter raak, en dit maak nie saak of hy net groter is as 'n stomphoek nie. Enigiets tussen 180 grade en meer noem ons dan 'n inspringende hoek. Anything more than 180 degrees is going to be called a reflex angle. Dis die woorde wat jy daarvoor moet ken. Nou, as ek 'n reguit lyn vat, dan in Afrikaans praat die kinders van 'n gestrekte hoek. En ek wil eintlik hê jy moet daarvan af weg beweeg, 'n gestrekte hoek. Because in English there is no such word. We are always going to just say this is 180 degrees because it's a straight line. 'n Gestrekte hoek is 'n reguit lyn. En ek gaan vir jou vandag eendag sê, as jy met redes gaan begin werk, when you're busy with reasons in geometry, that you get the right abbreviations. Jy moet die regte afkortings gebruik. So hier gaan ek vir jou sê, dis 'n reguit lyn, which means it's 180 degrees. So it's a straight line, you write on this side. Straight line, because it's 180 degrees. Jou afkortingkie daarvoor gaan jy sommer net lekker skryf RT line. And for English, you're just going to write STR line. That is accepted in mathematics up until matric for your abbreviation. Goed. Uitvee. Okay, die tweede ding wat ek vandag met jou wil kyk is soorte van lyne. Nou niemand gaan eintlik dit vir jou vra nie, maar binne in 'n som gaan jy dit sien. Dat as lyne so 'n hoekietjie dingetjie daar het, so vierkantjie wat hulle daar inteken. They draw a little square like that, dan beteken dit hierdie lyne is 90 grade op mekaar en ons noem hulle loodregte lyne. Want baie keer in 'n vraestel, weet jy nie wat hulle vir jou vra nie, want jy kan dit nie lees nie, jy moet hierdie bewoordings leer ken. So you need to know all these terminologies. If the lines are perpendicular to each other, it means that they intersect at a 90-degree angle, so you need to know that. Maar as allerlei afkortings daarvoor, en hier's 'n wonderlike afkorting, if you need to say that lines are perpendicular, you just need to do that. Two little lines that go like that. That is the abbreviation for perpendicular. Dis die afkorting om te sê twee lyne is loodreg op mekaar, so nog baie verder daarmee werk. Dan is daar lyne wat ewewydig is aan mekaar, lines that are parallel, and if Afrikaans person wants to say parallelle lyne, it's also fine. Parallelle lyne, en die afkortingkie is lekker maklik, jy trek net sulke parallelle lyne. That's the abbreviation for lines to be parallel to each other. We're going to be doing that in the sums. So now I want to start doing with actual geometry sums. where I'm going to give you a geometry sketch, and then you're always going to work out whatever I ask for you to do. So we're always going to say, what is asked to prove? Of te bewys. To prove in English, te bewys in Afrikaans. Ek soek vir X. I'm looking for X. This would be a perfect grade 8 geometry sum to start off with. Now, we have said that if we have a line, it makes up 180 degrees. So most of you are going to get the answer immediately, but then I have to tell you now, geometry is a method. We always work in the same method. Ons moet altyd in meetkunde hierdie proses deurgaan. Waar ek vir jou gaan sê, jy kan net vir my uitspreek vir juffrou, dis 50 grade nie. Yes, you're right. It is 50 degrees, but there's a whole process. So I want to teach you from small that you do it right. Jy moet van kleins af hierdie dinge reg doen, dan gaan jy met meetkunde nie 'n probleem hê nie. Hier is 'n proses. So, ons almal weet dat dit is 50. Then you take a color pencil and you write your answers, everything you figure out on the sketch. And as you figure it out, then today there was almost nothing to figure out. But it's going to get much worse, obviously, as you go along through the years with geometry. Then you're going to do everything on the sketch, and then you're going to write it out. And then the writing out, you're going to say, I have X is equal to 50, and that's not enough. I have to always give a reason. In meetkunde gaan ek vir jou leer, jy gaan nooit net vir my sê jy vir die antwoord is 50, jy gaan elke keer vir jou vra, hoekom? When you tell me that it's 50, I'm going to ask you why. Next to it, in brackets, you're going to write a reason. So die antwoord is 50 en almal is reg, maar hoekom is dit so? En dan al wat jy hoef te doen is dat ons nou geskryf het onder aan die bladsy, het ons gesê, daai is 'n reguit line. And now you don't have to say, it's because it is a straight line, you just have to say, it's straight line. Daar moet 'n rede wees vir elke dingetjie wat jy doen. Goed, ek gaan nog vir jou een voorbeeld gee, en dan sal ek vir jou huiswerk gee. Okay, the second example for today, before I give you your homework sums, is this one. What will be the question? To prove, wat wil ek hê te bewys? Ek wil weet wat is X. Juffrou sal vir jou sê. I will tell you what I want you answer the question. Nou, hier is nou baie moeiliker sommetjie as die eerste enetjie, maar dis dieselfde beginsel. The same principle that I'm testing, that you know that if there's a straight line, everything adds up to 180. As daar 'n reguit lyn is, tel al daai hoeke saam op na 180. Dis die kennis wat ek by jou wil toets. Dat jy nie dink daai alles saam is 100 nie, of wat ook al jy dalk gedink het nie. Dis die kennis wat ek toets. Ek toets of jy weet 'n reguit lyn maak 180 grade. That's what I'm testing, that a straight line makes up 180 now. But now it's a little bit difficult. You can't just look at it and say what the answer is. Even if you can, you don't do that. Wat moet jy doen om by 180 uit te kom? Alles bymekaar tel om by 180 uit te kom. So do what you're thinking. Add everything to get to 180. So you're going to say 2x plus 2x plus x plus 30. Wat is ek besig om te doen? Dit plus dit plus dit plus dit. I'm adding everything and it must equal 180. Why? Every time I'm going to write something down, I'm going to ask why. Elke keer as jy iets vir my skryf, kan ek jou vra, hoekom? En hoekom is weer? Dis 'n reguit lyn. The reason again is it's a straight line and you are allowed to use that abbreviation. En dan, ons is ons nou in meetkunde. We are now in geometry. Now, there's a little bit of algebra here. So inside the geometry, here pops up a little bit of geometry. En dis wat baie keer in wiskunde gaan gebeur. Jy kan nie so dink nie, want jy gaan nog altyd sê 1 plus 1 is 2, maak nie saak waar jy kom nie, in biologie of waar ook al. It's everywhere. So this is now a what? Wat beteken nou huiswerk en tekentjie? Ek is besig met 'n vergelyking en dan moet jy vergelykings gedoen. How did I do the equations? I'm going to add the like terms first. Ek gaan mos die gelyksoortige terme mekaar tel. 2x en 2x en 1x, onthou die koëffisiënte moet bymekaar getel word. Alles van algebra. 2 plus 2 plus 1 gee vir my 5x. Dan het jy geleer, hoe doen ons die vergelyking verder? Ek moet eers van die 30 ontslae raak, wat ek jou nou op 2 tegnieke gewys het. So met ander woorde, ek gaan oor die lyn gaan en sê 180 minus 30. En dan kan jy selfs of met daai antwoord gegee het, if you want to do it shorter and say 180 minus 30 already, there you write 150, that's fine. If you are able to do that at this stage, I'm very happy with you impressed. So jy kan of geskryf het min 30, of om oorgevat het en geskryf het, of direct by die antwoord uitgekom het. How do I get rid of the times 5? I must divide by 5. Divide by 5. Of ek het nou wys of nie wys nie, ek deel deur 5. En ek se antwoord is dus gelyk aan, as jy gaan deel 150 deel deur 5, gee jy 30. Did I answer the question? What was the question? Find x, found x, finish. But now I can test my sum. If I go back up there, how large is this angle? As ek nou myself gaan toets en ek gaan terug hiernatoe. 2x is dan nou ons 2 maal 30. So hier moet dan 60 wees. En hier moet ook 2 maal 30 wees, 60 wees. And this is just 1 times x, which is just 30. Does everything check out? Maak alles sin nou na die tyd. Is 60 en 60 en 30 en 30 saam? 180. Ja, jy kan nie nou jy beskielik bewys is nie meer 180 nie, anders het jy som verkeerd gedoen. Nou, sulke soortgelyke sommetjies gee ek vir jou vir huiswerk. Daar's 3 sommetjies. Dis oefening 12.4 in jou handboek, exercise 12.4. Just 1.2, the one is a little bit different from the others. I want to see what you write there. En dan probeer jy jou beste.